Welcome to our Homologa tutorials where we explore tips and tricks from Homologa, the global crop protection database. Today I would like to show you how to customize your results while working with any of the modules available in Homologa. As you can probably tell, you can customize your results while extracting the information from any of our modules. To do that, you have to customize the display settings. To show you how to do this, let us go ahead and jump into any of the modules. For example, I am going to select the largest module that we currently have in Homologa, which is the full product information. This module features 7 specific filters. The active filter, product filter, company filter, phrases filter, crop filter, pest filter, and advanced filter. There are a lot of fields in this module. Let us run an example. Let us go back to Switzerland, for example, and look for potatoes. I am going to look for plant protection information for potatoes in this country. I am going to enter that information in then and I will click on display my results. We have almost 4,000 results. As you can see, this table is extensive. There are quite a few fields here, from basic product information, crop information to good agricultural practice information. Let us say that I just want to have something a little bit more easy to digest. To do so, I must go to the display settings. Then here you can see that I am able to visualize the whole different fields that we have available in this module. In my profile all fields are checked, but let us say that I would like to customize this view. I have something way simpler, and I am able to visualize all this data in a different way. I am going to uncheck all, and I select only the basic fields, which are the ones indicated with the red dots. I will go for the country, trade name, company, commodity, crop info originals, crop info original 1, all these different fields with a red star, and I will run again this report. I have to go to Save, and then my report is going to contain the same number of results that I saw in the previous one, but now the number of fields is reduced drastically to a few of them that I have selected. You can see that now I have fewer fields, and these are the fields that I wanted. If you want to customize your reports, this is something that you can do in the display settings, in any of the modules currently available in Homologa Online. I can even change the number of results per page from 20 to 50 or 500. If I rerun this, changing it to 50, you can see that we have the same number of results, but then I've got less pages to scroll through. I would cover how to export this information in a separate video tutorial. I would like to thank you for joining me today, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to stay up to date with our latest video tutorials. Please also feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Goodbye.